Welcome to CertiPUR. Today we are diving into a product that often gets overlooked but is essential for your daily well-being. We are looking at the Avenco 6-inch full-size mattress. If you have been struggling with a mattress that makes you feel hot or lacks the right support, you might want to pay close attention to this review. Let us start with the core design. This mattress is built with an active breathing channel. One of the biggest complaints with memory foam is that it can trap heat, but Avenco has used open-cell foam with thousands of micropores. This allows for genuine airflow, while the top layer of gel memory foam works to actively absorb and dissipate heat. When you pair this with their moisture release cover, the result is a sleep surface that stays noticeably cooler and drier compared to traditional foam mattresses. Now, let us talk about the feel. At 6 inches, this is a slim profile mattress, but it does not sacrifice support. It uses a dual-layer system. You get that signature slow-response memory foam that contours to your body, which is fantastic for pressure relief on your shoulders and hips. Underneath that, there is a high-density support foam base. This base gives the mattress its structure and prevents you from feeling like you are sinking through to the bed frame. It is a very balanced feel, leaning slightly toward the firm side, which is ideal for those who need proper spinal alignment. One of the standout features here is the maintenance. The cover is completely removable and machine washable. In the world of mattresses, this is a huge win. Being able to strip the cover off and throw it in the wash means you can keep your sleep environment fresh and clean without having to deal with cumbersome spot cleaning or chemical deodorizers. From a safety standpoint, Avenco has checked all the right boxes. This mattress is CertiPUR-US certified for the foam, meaning it is made without ozone depleters, mercury, or lead. The cover materials are OEKOTX certified, and they are proud to note that the product is completely free from fiberglass. That offers peace of mind for anyone concerned about the chemicals that sometimes hide in cheaper mattress options. Getting this mattress into your home is also painless. It arrives as a bed in a box. You just pull it out of the packaging, unroll it, and it expands to its full size within a short time. It is a perfect solution for apartments, guest rooms, or dorms where moving a bulky traditional mattress would be a nightmare. Looking at the pros, the breathability is excellent for a foam mattress, the washable cover is a major convenience, and the lack of fiberglass is a massive plus for health-conscious buyers. On the negative side, if you are looking for a plush, cloud-like sink-in feel, this 6-inch profile might be a bit too firm for your liking. It is definitely designed for support rather than deep cushioning. In conclusion, the Avenco 6-inch full-size mattress is a solid, well-engineered option for anyone needing a space-saving sleep solution that does not skimp on quality or temperature regulation. It is clean, safe, and built to last. If you are looking to upgrade your guest room or downsize your current setup, this is a very strong contender. Link in the description.